from. Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So guys, I'm about to try something new for the first time. It's the man, what you said is called, babe?
Empanadas.
Empanadas, yeah. I've seen them in lots of videos, and babe, you know, been telling me about empanada, which is very similar to a patty in Jamaica, beef patty in Jamaica. So yeah, I already took a little bite. I haven't got to the meat part of it yet, but yeah, it smells like a patty though, that's for sure. You know, so I'm gonna try it, you know? Yeah. Oh gosh, this is really good.
Give me a bite, let me try.
It's really good.
Wow.
Yeah. Really good flavor, everything.
That's nice.
I love it, I love it. You guys remind me of Callaloo for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, it reminds me of Callaloo as well, like that Callaloo is in it, you know? Yeah, it's nice. Definitely a good, may I eat this a lot. Yeah.
That's right.
Bring more cups and more when they see love and harmony. They kiss my heart. Me got a girl on me bed right now. She confess.
Hi guys, welcome back, Island Tribe.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. We're ready to get rumbaing.
Yeah, guys.
Without rumba, it's Adekunde go.
Yeah, man. So
straight.
Guys, we arrived in Sydney earlier this afternoon. Yeah.
Flight was late because some person that wasn't supposed to be on that flight checked in luggage, so they had to go around in the bottom of the plane looking for that person's luggage, and so we're running on zero sleep right now, but I mean from 5 o'clock this morning. But we're happy, we're excited, we're on our way to the city. We were going to catch a train, but then it started raining, and then it kind of got really what's the word, cold. So we thought, you know what, look, I'm just going to drive into the city to the concert, and we'll park the car somewhere there, and then after that we can, you know, we can just relax. Yeah guys, so we out tonight. We see how they couldn't let go, you know. The African artist, as you know, big fan of his music, as we said before, and yeah, all day it's now we're just doing an intro, you know, so we didn't really vlog much today. So that's the pre. I wanted to get my hair done today. Went to an African hair salon, and the worst thing happened.
The woman just said she can't do the twist with my hair and all of that. So which in Jamaica I get twists with my hair like this. My hair is long, guys, don't let it fool you. If my hair blow out, you will see the length of it.
Yeah.
And when she hold my hair right away, she was trying to do my hair, do cornrow basically, and I was like, but no, that's not what I said. I said I wanted to twist, and she was like, oh, twist, it's too short to do twist. But yeah, it's what she said, you know. So but yeah.
Anyways, yeah, it was bad, guys, because so I said to Babe, right, she's gonna do the twist, so I'll come back, I'll go drop off you know, Island to Grandma's house, and then I'll come back, and that's like a good 20 minutes, half an hour drive. And I was like, oh my gosh, he rang me back straight away, and he's like, no, I'm not doing my hair. She wants to charge me literally $250 just for twists.
Yeah.
And even braids even. And then she started talking about his hair's too short. So I'm like, well, you're going to have to wait for me. So poor Babes had to wait for me like a good half an hour.
Yeah, and to be honest, guys, I've only done cornrow once in my life. And I never done it again because I'm just not a big fan of cornrow. I always do twists or plait. And yeah, so that's my thing.
Worst thing ever.
What does say?
So, yeah.
Yeah, this is what's happening tonight. That's how my hair looks, whatever. Judge me how you feel, it's whatever.
Yeah.
You
You know, I also wanted to get a few things done, but mechanically, I couldn't get it done. So it's all good, you know, whatever. Like, we're just gonna go have a good time. It's just me and Babes, no islands.
Yeah.
You know, we're just gonna make the most of it. So hey, we're here, guys. We're ready for Adekunde.
Yeah, and gonna see you what the nightlife is, because I've never been in a, is it a club or what's it called?
I have no idea. Babe's asking me all these questions, and to be honest, guys, I have absolutely no idea whatsoever.
But let's see what it is, you see me?
Let's see.
Never been in one of these. Let's say a club, right? I've never been in a club in Australia, so let's see what that experience will be like. And mindful, guys, there will be copyright music, you see me? So yeah, we might just play some music over that.
So we may play music over it.
Yeah.
You know, because we'll get a strike otherwise.
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned.
Yeah, man. We're out tonight. This is the view on the highway. We're out.
We're back again. So we're sitting here waiting for the parking thing to open, because we actually went to like one of those undercover parking things, and they say that it's gonna be like $80 for like 4 hours plus, and we're like, what the heck? Anyways, guys, so we're just sitting here just waiting, chilling out, relaxing, you know, vibing with each other and talking about, you know, we haven't been out together in such a long time, right, babe?
Yeah.
We haven't been out for like literally a long time. Like a year. So remember, guys, we are not only celebrating my birthday weekend, but also Babe's 1 year anniversary here.
Yeah.
He officially turns 1 year tomorrow. And also Babe's new single.
Yeah.
So guys,
yeah, please go and check out my brand new single, City of Dogs by Provider. So guys, I changed my artist name, you know, for personal reasons. Yeah, man, so still have to talk about that.
Yes, he will talk about it when all is ready.
Yeah, man.
So guys, go and support your boy's Provider.
Yeah, man.
Provider is still known as Africa on his vlog channel.
Yeah, feel free to call me whichever.
Yeah.
You see me? I know sometimes change is hard and people sometimes not used to change, where you know, be like, oh, I prefer this name because it's what they're used to, and it might sound better or whatever the case is, but yeah. That's
right. So guys, bless up.
Yeah, man.
And let's join us for Adekunle
Gold.
Let's go. I'm a little bit congested up in my nose, but I'll be right.
It's cold outside.
It's cold. It's cold.
Yeah, man.
Sydney, you're colder than Casino.
Yeah,
that's for sure.
True.
Bless up, people. Hi guys.
and drink.
It's quite cold.
Yeah, early night, you know? Yeah, man. So this is the bar section.
The bar setting, guys.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
No time to waste, but it's nice to rewind that. Your body bad. When I say A, you say G, A, A. When I say A, you say G, A, A. When I say A, you say G, A, A. When I say A, you say G.
So how they couldn't goal is about to come out, guys.
Yes, guys. Come on, Alexander.
Yeah.
Okay, Cindy, are you ready? If you're ready, let me hear you say, hey, G, baby. Oh, Cindy, if you're ready, let me hear you say, hey, G, baby. Cindy, are you ready? If you're ready, say, hey, G, baby. Yeah. Are you ready now? say right to the mental now. Everybody go, you say you want me, but what do you need? Come on now, see me now. I am so low. You could have been something different. You say you see me not coming. You could have been something different. You said no. You should be walking this and the money that you get all you running. I don't tire of the day. He said how you go hold me down. Taking my head off the air. With you I want to say that. You see? That's how I hold me down. Oh my beautiful lady, why you want me to want me to? I'm not because I didn't want me to. Now I can't see the piece on me, go. Never ever know they fuck with me. Every time she let you go, me go. Come on, hallelujah, go, let's go. So what, so what? Give up, give it. I love this part. I even buy you go. Oh, you say you want me, oh, but why you leave me go? See me now, I am so low. No. It could have been something different. It could have been something different. It could have been something different. Something different. Something different. Oh. It could have been something different. Oh. It could have been something different. It could have been something different. Let's go. Somebody call me. I want to put the burden in. Somebody call me, I'm a baby, one man down the love highway. Oh, no, I'm a little like my name. What you done to me? Look what you done to me, oh my mind. Somebody call me, this love is a baby coming to my baby. Do me tender. Everybody let me hear you. Hey, this time, Tony. This time, let me hear you. 1, 2, 4, let's go. Come on. Cindy, come on. Everybody. One more time, what's my name? When they told me we almost still got this in there, I need to do this. But look at all the things came out for me. It's my first time ever in Sydney, and I'm getting so much love in this. One more time, listen, one more time. Where are my pretty girls in the house? All my pretty ladies, where are you? I need girls that can dance with me on stage. If you want to dance with me on stage, I need to see you. I need girls that can dance with me on stage. Pretty girls, with no home training, please. No home training. Right? No home training. Before they come, when I say, hey, yeah, pretty girl, you want to break your back on it? Hey, yeah, pretty girl. Say that one man will say you. Where are the girls now? Are they not here? If you want to dance on stage, let me see your hands up. Are you ready? Are you ready, my friend? Yo, wake up. Hey, pretty good. You want to put your back on it? Hey, pretty good. Say your mama no say. Hey, pretty good. You want to bring your back on it? Hey, pretty good. Say your mama no say. Hey, I love you. I need you. Baby. Everybody, please don't be mine. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yeah, yeah, hey, mommy, me, raise your mom. Marry me, oh, baby, oh, marry me, raise your mom. You know I love you, I'll give up everything. You know I love you, I'll give up everything. Baby, oh, Let's go. You don't make it easy, right? To stay away from your door. Sing out, yeah, you make me sing out, sing out, sing out, Lord, sing out, oh my God, I love you so. I don't wanna lose all the time. I see you. Drunk on your motion, can't feel my lips burning, losing composure, can't feel my face turning, seems so irrational, ready to risk it all. If I can have you, nobody can. No, tell me now, can I get my mind up? 1, 2, go. Can I take my? Tell me how. They bring happiness, so and when I get money, I realize so. I don't be hypocrite, and they pray make you get your own too. See, my time will never last. Let them know my last you. That comes at you so fast, but now you don't become what you. They hate your life, the way I keep on. When don't they happy for me, for me? They hate your life. You no energy, no waste your time. Sing it, let me hear you go. Sing it like you mean it. Take your increase. Do not disturb me, please, oh. If you go back my thing, that's a fantastic thing, oh. If you love me, money, do not disturb me, please, go. Oh, it's all I see. Oh my boo, you do me nice when I do. Hey, I need you, but I might skin like that too. Oh my boo, you do me nice when I do. Don't leave my side, you give me like girl. Oh, I told you love me, my heart. Oh, make I see you, Georgia. Over. And you. If anyone try my leg, go city, baby, your face. Are you ready for more? If you're having a good time, what's my name? I'm an advocate for soft life. So this song, 5-star. Listen, I just pray for all of you not to suffer this life. Please. I pray that Saba will not find you. I ain't partner, I'm there. I didn't try for myself. Yeah. You're ready. Let's go. This is my new single. It's called 5-star. Hey. See, I don't look like a thing I don't see. I will never forget the 90s. Many nights I go to bed for mercy. Sickle self me joke me crisis. Thank you for the journey, your Lord. If I say my story over, why I can't cool, I'm never lazy. I wrote it, go! I didn't try for myself. Yeah. I love you. Thank God for this formula. I ain't fight for myself. I didn't try for myself. Oh. Thank God for this formula. Money not you got to let them pull you. Make your rubber, stack your paper. Let them know when you pull up. Man down when I pull up. I be a nigga, fuck the chaser. Bang, 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 on the paper. This game when I pull up. Yeah, road back there when I pull up. To the front, they cut on when I be ready. Shout out to a nigga that sees the race me. Ask my crew that they love me. Thank God on the air. Our government no get time for ghetto. You only get love for manifesto. I pray for my people. Hands up, let's go. I need a fighter. Send it. Manifest it, let's go. Whoa. I need a fighter. I need to try for myself. Oh, behind me, I need a fighter. I did try for myself, oh. VIP no regular. Thank God be the formula. I did my time, I did try for myself, oh. VIP no regular. Thank God be the formula. I did my me and you go. VIP no regular. Thank God be the formula. I did my time, are you ready now?
Guys, we're outside.
We're outside.
It's
freezing.
Yeah, it's all over now. I mean, I tell you, all my voice gone, guys. Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, I tell you, we filmed some of it, you know, while some of it we just enjoy the moment to see it.
Real, guys, it was a vibe.
Yeah, I tell you. Well, go on.
It's your girl Maria.
The Island Boy Africa.
And Island Boy. Say hi, Island. Hi, Island. What's up? No? Not say hello? You want to say hi to everyone. Anyways, guys, we're just touching bases of our trip or our night out.
Yeah.
We had a really good time.
It was amazing. We just picked it up from where the battery died when we walked out of the club, basically.
Yeah, we're picking up from the night when the battery died.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had a really good time. I will say that some people were so drunk that they didn't know what was right, wrong from left, right, and center.
They're
like
spilling their liquor all over.
All over my feet because I was wearing a dress and I had heels on. One thing I learned was women, I don't know, comment down below if you ever been to a concert and you wear heels, but at the end of the night my feet were killing me. I was like, silly me, I should never wear heels to a concert because you're dancing so much and your people around you spilling drinks everywhere and whatnot. And we were having the best time until one drunk girl decided that she wanted to come on my side and cause trouble with, I don't know who she was fighting with.
Yeah, I almost started a fight there.
And Babe was like, because I grabbed her like to push her away because I didn't want to like get hurt or hit or anything. So I kind of was like, hey, hang on, just stay over there.
Yeah.
And Babe was like, what are you grabbing her for? She's going to punch you. And I'm like, I'm not even touching her.
Because that's what I thought, like, what was going on? I was like pulling you away because I was like, nah, I don't need this drama, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
that, I don't know why people go to concerts and cause trouble. It's like why they even go out to begin with. If they can't handle their drinks, don't go, don't drink. Simple as that.
Yeah.
I honestly could say that he touched my hand, as you can see. I was a bit hesitant at first as I was like this and I wasn't too sure, and then he came. So then I was like, I quickly better just reach out, and I just touched him. He grabbed me.
You was the last person that he stopped at.
Yeah, I was the last person. He didn't go any further.
Yeah.
And then it was so funny though because I said to Babe, that's your cue, because that's Babe's favourite artist from all time. And I said, Babe, he's blessed me through you to come to you.
I love his music.
Yeah, so I said, Babe, he's all his germs.
That's yeah, man. And I'm telling you, just to get the feel of, you know, being in a club and
yeah, your first time.
Yeah.
Babe's first time.
I know they party in Australia, you know? And yeah, like
they did have an after party, but exactly. We didn't go because we were so tired by the end of it. Like, we're not used to this party lifestyle, guys.
Hey, stop that.
You know, we were like home at 1 o'clock in the morning. I remember driving home and we got lost.
Yeah.
So anyway, I got lost for the very first time. Like, Sydney has changed so much, guys. I forget where I'm at sometimes in Sydney.
Yeah.
But yeah,
sorry. I even get so excited when I heard all the dancehall music was playing, you know. And a whole heap of thing go on, guys. Like, we literally we film some of it. We film some of it while we enjoy a lot of it, you understand? And yeah, whole heap I broke it down go on the dance floor with her. You see?
I went
till she all pop her button and all them thing there.
I was gonna say, actually I was dancing with Babe and I was twerking and all of a sudden my dress, I don't know, I think Babe put his hand there on my dress and my dress was like,
I don't even know what
one of the buttons popped off and I could not find it anywhere. I was looking on the ground and I don't know if anyone saw, I don't care, but yeah, we just had the best time.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, like literally he almost made my legs cramp up, guys, from dancing like a bloody, I don't know, like a dolly on stage or something.
I'm telling you. Like, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this one, you know. First time, you know, going out in Australia like that, so yeah, there
will be more, guys. There will be more,
definitely.
We have tell them about their
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. In the next video.
Alright, so we're not gonna say, we're gonna bleep that bit out.
Yeah.
So there's a big surprise coming, guys, and yeah, can't wait for you guys to hear about it.
Yeah.
And yeah, so excited, guys. So for the next time. Also, we I do have a trip coming up as well. So I don't know. It's definitely in Australia, so we're not going to go international just yet.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, man. All right, catch you guys.
Blessing.
Bless up.